In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build dashboards and KPIs in Zoho Desk. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Zoho. From the results, click the official Zoho website. If you're already familiar with your organization's portal URL, you can go straight there, but the search route works for everyone. Log in with your authorized account. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step and make sure you're selecting the correct portal if you belong to more than one. Once you're in the Zoho ecosystem, choose Desk from the list of apps. This opens the Help Desk environment where we'll build and track your support metrics. Inside Zoho Desk, go to the Analytics module. You'll typically find it in the left-hand sidebar. This is where dashboards, reports, and KPIs live, and it's the best place to visualize trends in tickets, agents, and service performance. Click the plus icon and select Add Dashboard. Give your dashboard a clear, descriptive name and a short description so others know what it covers. Choose a dashboard folder that matches your team or use case. Good naming and folder choices make it much easier to find and manage later. Next, click the Create Blueprint button. This opens the dashboard editor where you'll add and configure the components that bring your data to life. In the editor, click Add Components. From the panel at the top, select KPI cards. These are designed to highlight snapshot metrics like total tickets, average response time, or SLA compliance. You can also choose a chart or an index component if you want a visual trend or a comparative indicator. Pick the format that best tells your story. Now, configure the component. Give it a meaningful component name, then choose the module you want to analyze, such as tickets, and select any related modules if your metric requires them. Pick the column to measure and the aggregation that fits, like count, sum, or average. Under Filter Based On, choose the column you want to filter, then set a duration, such as today, this week, or last 30 days, to keep your metric aligned with a time window. If you need to refine further, open Advanced Filters. From the drop-down, select the field, set the condition, like equals, greater than, or contains, and enter the value. Combine conditions to focus on specific priorities, channels, agents, or customer segments. When everything looks right, click Add to save the KPI component. You can repeat the process to add more cards, charts, or indexes to the same dashboard, keeping your metrics consistent in naming and timeframes for easy comparisons. That's it. Your Zoho Desk dashboard is now set up to track the KPIs that matter.